It's a good one. Listen, we've had a stretch here where we've had some really nice weather. You and I remember that, there are years where Memorial Day is really quite miserable, unfortunately, weather-wise, because it's, late spring. And so sometimes you get that chilly air and those gloomy conditions. And we didn't get that this year. And in fact, we continue with this warm and mostly sunny trend. So let's go ahead and take a live look outside. I want to show you what it looks like out there for a walk. Yeah, that's good walking weather right about now. We're looking at sunny skies, 70 degrees, and winds out of the northeast at 9 miles an hour. That's the official observation in Central Park. We've got 71 degrees right now for Newark and for Staten Island. Sheepshead Bay is checking in at 70 degrees, 68 for the Battery, 61 for the Bronx, and both Jackson Heights and JFK are at 67 degrees right now. Big picture look shows you that Greenwich, a little cool, right? So we do have a few locations that are a little bit slower to warm up. Right now, though, we're getting a reading of 80 degrees already in Sparta with Monticello at 77. So some have warmed up pretty significantly so far this afternoon. The one thing I do want to continue to point out is that we have an air quality alert in effect for the entire state of New Jersey. Fine particulates, that's the problem. And the source, Canadian wildfires. I know that seems maybe like an odd thing, especially when you look at our satellite and radar and you see how clear it is. But that really is the culprit. Basically, what we're seeing, there are some wildfires in Nova Scotia. And because of the position of high pressure that's helping to keep our weather so beautiful, the circulation of the wind around that high pressure system is actually pulling that smoke down and sort of pumping it right into the tri-state area. So we are seeing a little bit of a haze out there, and you'll see a little bit more of it as the day goes on. So we do have those issues, some air quality alert issues, and hazy sunshine is what we'll see, especially a little bit later this afternoon. 77 degrees, the forecast high for today in New York City, obviously warmer as we head inland. We already have some locations that are warmer than that. So today is definitely an improvement over what we had yesterday, if you like it warm. But if you like it hot, then Thursday and Friday are your days, because we get a taste of summer starting tomorrow. We'll see the warmest air mass that we've seen in a few weeks. That will start to move in tomorrow, and we'll see our high temperatures about 10 to 15 degrees above average. So that puts us in the 80s. And then on Friday, some will be in the 90s, especially for our inland locations. So things are about to get hot around here. Take a look. These are the toasty Thursday forecast highs. For New York City, 84 degrees. But as we head to Mayapack, 86, more like 89 for Caldwell, 88 for Sussex. So things are going to get kind of toasty for sure on Thursday. And then Friday's just hot. It's just hot. 89 degrees for New York City. That's the forecast high. 91 for Caldwell, 92 for East Brunswick. So things are warming up today. They get hot as we end the work week. Friday and Saturday, slight chance of a shower on Friday and Saturday, but we also watch those temperatures cool back down this weekend before warming up slightly next week. Chris?
Okay, Elise.